little something different today. This is a 2003 Chevrolet SS. It belongs to the friend of mine that we did the test with the C8 Corvette. 126,000. So for an 03, that's pretty low. And because of the age, the exhaust tends to rust out a little bit, mostly just the muffler, because it is stainless from the factory. But Jeff has opted to go with this Corsa exhaust system, and we are gonna get that baby put on today. Probably the coolest part. One less part.
This thing must be garage kept its whole life.
That came off real nice. This is the old wrench on wrench extension method. I think I've got gloves laying over there. I only wore the one that I didn't need. That popped immediately, didn't it? Yeah. Okay. Yep, it's moving. Start to see that shiny area right there. Lets us know that we're making progress backwards, and then we've got a gap here on that flange. So if we go ahead and start pulling it down from those isolators or those hangers, this will probably work loose and fall out for us. Now watch this. Oh, it's coming.
Oh, it's out?
Yeah. Okay, so it can rest there. This.
I'm gonna take the jack
Jack stand out of the way. And it can come down.
this back.
Yeah. Okay. Gucci. Alright, here's the new one. I put some anti-seize on these studs that are pressed into this flange. And also, I'll show you right now that I put anti-seize on all those clamps before we go to using them. Alright, I'm going to start these two nuts on the flange, and then we're going to have to give it a little convincing around to get the slip fit section right here. And start these guys. And then you can see we've still got a little room to go here, so try to pull this towards the, there, that popped right in place. Alright, so now probably go ahead and fully tighten this stuff down, and then we'll put the hanger in the back. I will not be pointing this upwards, in case you're curious. Oh, don't use an impact. You could use maybe a air ratchet or cordless ratchet that moves slow. We did put anti-seize on it to keep that from generating too much heat at speed. Hand tightening is recommended. So we're going to have to probably use the jack stand or something to make sure it stays up while we fit the rear section of pipe in there. Or maybe we hang the rear section of pipe, and when we lift the muffler in there, we can slide both ends to it. I like that plan better. So far, so good. I just thought of something, just for funsies. Maybe we start it up like that. Well, I say we straight pipe it. And then you can decide if you really want the muffler or not. But we'll leave the tailpipe here so the cops think you're not running dumps. Maybe we don't straight pipe it, because this muffler is pretty much already straight pipe. It looks like it just offers a bypass on each end on one side.
So does the slit bit go to the back?
Nope,
Or
front.
goes this way?
Yeah, and the holes down. The weep holes have to go down. Yep, the seam, the welded seam at the top too,
Yeah.
which is good because you don't ever want your water condensation to lay in that. Dude, this is gonna be awesome. I'm way more excited about it now. If you couldn't tell. I'm stoked, bro. All right, does it look like that weep hole's pointing straight down? I believe so.
Yeah.
Tell you what, before I get too overzealous, slide that tip on there and make sure that it's not too close to the bottom of that, since this truck has all this plastic trim along its bottom.
You put the clamp on it?
No, just slide it on the tailpipe and make sure it's not aimed in a way that you don't like it. See, what I'm doing is, it could be like,
It looks good to me.
okay.
But,
Okay.
yeah, you take it back off?
No, you can leave it on, or whatever. I'm just gonna be tightening these clamps, so you may take it off. I'm guessing that little bypass section is just there to stop drone. Ooh, I don't like this. This is not ideal. We may have to do a little trimming. I need a longer wrench. Okay, I bet that did something. Oh yeah, yeah. I don't think it can make contact. Oh my gosh, that took a lot of wobbling. Maybe a little bit more for good measure. Don't want to break the welds off. Yeah. We ain't rattling now, boys. Okay. That looks good. Looks like the weep hole's straight down. Somewhere close is good. There's the clamp.
It's here, it's here.
Oh, you grabbed it when you grabbed the tip? Nice. What I want to do is get it the exact distance from the... Do you want these to be level? Well, either level or they follow this angle.
It's almost like it's got to be sitting on the ground to really know.
Well, we can definitely put it down on the ground.
We could maybe tighten that one once it's on the ground.
Yeah, this decision doesn't have to be made here.
Because it'll be really hard to tell.
Yeah, that's a good idea. So yeah, there's no fiberglass or anything to really age, you know, or deteriorate. Honestly, for 130,000 miles in 20 years, it's not terrible. Another satisfied customer. Thanks for watching.